sprint, I have three stories. First one is to revise on the understanding Undergo crowdsourcing paper, especially revise introduction related work and design consideration with clear arguments and topic sentences. Second one was have a need finding results for lost and found, and third one is to implement CrowdFound version 2 that can post lost items at any location and decompose the possible lost item location and notify helpers accordingly. So start with my first story. I rewrote introduction with clear problem, motivation, opportunities, vision of Undergo crowdsourcing, and my contributions. This was my first draft, and second draft, as you can see, much less comments from Haoqi, and no, Finder. This one is my third draft, and I'll reorganize my introduction based on this structure. And this is my related work, V1. I'll have to revise a couple of them and then send it to my advisor. Okay, for the second story, need finding results for lost and found. I wrote a short interview protocol, but unfortunately I wasn't able to recruit any interviewees from Facebook and Craigslist. So I think the problem was that it's during midterm seasons, and then I only asked people who had helped others to find lost items. So for next sprint, I'm planning to reach out to people who posted that they found things, or even with the requesters who posted that they lost something. And for the V2, CrowdFound V2, I changed my interface. So I asked them to pick a location A and B where they might have lost their item. And for those 2 points, first I calculate the bearing, the degrees, to where from point A to point B, and then for that path I decompose to several regions. I use 40 meters as one region, and if I do this, they will decompose to several regions. And then for helpers, what I do is that I order them by the ascending order, and then they will get pinged based on the least search region. My next step is to have a smarter decomposition algorithm, because for now we're not taking the actual path into account. We're just calculating from point A to point B. So it might be possible that those decomposed regions are in the middle of nowhere, or it's actually some regions that there's no path.
Now you need to.
No.